man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B, and put it in the oven for baby and me. Pat a cake, baker's girl. Bake me a cake with a swirl and a twirl. Mix it and stir it and pour it with care, and frost it with icing to make it look fair. Pat a cake, baker's friend. Bake me a cake that will never end. Add some more sugar, some butter and spice, and make it so yummy we'll have to have twice. Pat a cake, let's decorate. Add some bright sprinkles, it's looking so great. Chocolate and cherries and candy on top. We'll eat it all up and we'll never stop. Pat a cake, now it's done. The cake is all baked and it's so much fun. We'll share it together, you, baby, and me. Pat a cake, 1, 2, 3. Pat a cake, let's make some more. A cake for the neighbors and one for the door. Vanilla and strawberry, lemon and lime. We'll bake all day and we'll have a great time. Pat a cake, now it's a feast. Cakes for the people, cakes for the beast. The dog gets a biscuit, the cat gets a treat, and everyone gathers to eat. Pat a cake, the day is done. We've baked so many, we've had so much fun. Now it's time to rest and dream of the day when we'll bake more cakes and come out to play.